a bird in a basket. You know, girls can be called pretty birds. So there was a basket, and I was remembering that the episode of Friends where they put is it Rachel? No. Yeah. Rachel argues with someone over the washer. She ends up in a basket, and Ross kind of pushes her around a little bit. And so I was like, hey, get in the basket, and she did. God, I love her just expression and figure, and the eyes. Her eyes are just great. You know, she's just my friend, but she's got this great model expression. Something she actually recommended is doing a photo shoot with yourself, which I should probably do. I think it'd be a lot. At first I was kind of like, does anybody really want to see me? But that's a dumb way to live life, worried about whether or not you're fat and ugly. So I'll probably do one, see what kind of silliness comes out of it. It'd be fun. But I think it came out well. I tilted it a bit. I'm drinking a Monster. The panel on the door is interesting. But yeah, it's a fun little clever shot. The floors kind of looks kind of cool.